Hello students, I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 9, subject biology, chapter 1, the fundamental unit of life, cell. This is part 3. So in this part 3, we are going to discuss cells, cell number, unicellular organism, multicellular organism, difference between multicellular organism and unicellular organism, then cell size, smallest cell, longest cell and largest cell. So first of all I am going to discuss about cells. So cells differ in their number because different organism has different cells, different sizes and different cell shape also. So after cells we are going to discuss about cell number. According to number of cells, there are two type of organisms, unicellular organism and multicellular organism. So first of all, in unicellular organism and multicellular organism, first of all have to discuss about what is unicellular and what is multicellular. So unicellular cells are those cells which is made up of only one kind of cells, and multicellular cells are those cells which consist of only more than one type of cells. So unicellular organism are those organism which possess only one type of cells, and multicellular are those organism which possess more than one cell. So unicellular organism, taking for example just amoeba, paramecium, these are the unicellular organism. And in multicellular organism are taking for example that human beings, animals, etc. So after explaining the unicellular organism and multicellular organism, I am going to discuss about the difference between both. So what the difference between both? So in unicellular organism they have only one cell, and in multicellular organism they have more than one cell. The size of cell is very small in unicellular organism and size of cell will be large in multicellular organism. In unicellular organism, a single cell can capable to perform all the life function, and in multicellular organism more than one cell can capable to perform all the life function. Cell division occurs by fission or budding in unicellular organism, and cell division occurs in multicellular organism by different method, that will be meiosis or mitosis. Their life span is very short in unicellular organism and life span is very long in multicellular organism. Next will be, after explaining the difference between unicellular organism and multicellular organism, about cell size. Cells are remain constant for particular cell. In particular cell, in definite cell size or remain constant. It has no relation with the size of organism. That means it has no relation with the size of organism. That means if the organism size is very large, that it does not mean that the size of the cell is also large. The size of the cell, size of the organism depends upon the number of cells. The size of the organism depends upon the number of cells, not the size of the cells. For example, largest size of whale or elephant is due to the presence of more number of cells. That means size of elephant, size of whale is very large. It only depend on the number of cells. It means the number of cells in the body of whale, number of cells in the body of elephant is very large, so their size of the body will be large. So this is the cell size about the different organism. So Some cells such as egg of birds and reptiles can be seen with the naked eyes. Can be seen with the naked eyes. Does not need to see the microscope. They are not microscopic. So after explaining the cell size, this is the cell size. After the explaining the cell size, we are going to discuss some important points. That means smallest cell will be Mycoplasma gallisepticum. So this is the smallest cell, Mycoplasma gallisepticum. And the longest cell will be nerve cell, and the largest cell will be ostrich egg. So this much enough. Thanks.